Thank you.
Good morning. Unfortunately, I cannot make my explanation in Turkish, so you will understand me. I will make it in English. I will speak as slowly as I will be possible. Smart Cities and Global Solution Platform. What's Libelium? Libelium is a Spanish company founded in 2006, 9 years ago. 9 years in the IoT market is really so long time. You can imagine in other market niches should be the equivalent to 20 or 25 years of experience. At this right moment, we are working in 2 facilities, one in Spain, in Zaragoza, this is our central facilities, and other, just a commercial team working in the United States. We have customers in more than 75 countries, nowadays concretely 82, and more than 80% of our turnover is international. Most of our turnover is out of Europe, so the market of Libelium is really an international and worldwide market. We have some important distribution relation with some distributors and partners in 15, now at this moment, 17 countries all around the world. What's the principal task of Libelium? Our principal task is helping to solve problems in our society with wireless sensor networks that monitor continuously anything, anywhere. That's why we said Libelium is developing an horizontal platform. Our platform is horizontal for vertical solutions. You can solve any problem of sensing in oil refinery, in poultry, in agriculture, in environmental, smart cities, any application with exactly the same based platform. A city, making a city a smart city has some different challenges. First of all, a city is an heterogeneous universe, multiple and heterogeneous data sources. For example, for parking cars, for the environmental control of the parks, for the waste control. You have multiple and heterogeneous needs and challenges. You need to improve the contamination, to improve the sound level, to improve the traffic. You know, we spent roughly 2 hours for coming from the airport to the hotel yesterday evening. Improving this just is a challenge by itself. But improving this, you can improve, of course, the noise, of course, the contamination, of course, a lot of different things. And there's multiple and heterogeneous stakeholders and users. The first, the citizens. After, politicians, the municipality, but also the contractors, also the public companies, also the waste and the drinking water companies. So, for facing all the challenges that the city is facing, you need, first of all, a big interoperability of the platform, a transversal approach. That's why I told you we need an horizontal technology, all the challenges with exactly the same technology, but able to provide a lot of multiple vertical solutions. We go a further step of the connected devices. Connected devices is just the first step. The final step is connect products and service, making this data useful for the citizen and for all the stakeholders. So the idea is starting from the down step, where you have all the data question. By using our platform, you can communicate this data and store them into a cloud system. And after, with the right software for presenting this data and taking a modeling and taking solution, you can improve all the challenges made in the smart city. This is what we learned from a lot of cities we have deployed our system. Barcelona is maybe one of the most important challenges right now in Spain, as the before speaker told. We have implemented some environmental and noise control in Barcelona, something about the quality of drinking water too. But we have not only working in Spain, as I told you, we have developed some interesting projects in Christchurch in New Zealand, Melbourne and Sydney in Australia, Dublin, Belgrade, Rotterdam, Newcastle, etc. in Europe. And of course, we are working in our first projects in USA. First of all, in Hoboken in New Jersey. The IoT, the Internet of Things, benefits a standard platform. These are the most important benefits of using a standard platform. And a standard platform integrates various technology because it's horizontal and adaptable. Interact with any information system because it's open source. Open source means that any developer is able to connect any sensor to the cloud by using our system. It's adapted to specific customer needs. It's completely customizable. Allow rapid programming. As I told you 1 minute ago, more than 2,000 developers are supporting our products right now. It's really cost effective. It's modular. You only include in your product exactly what you want or exactly what you need. You don't need to include useless devices. Really easy to maintain. Really easy to maintain means it's solar powered and is reprogrammable by internet. What we said, the Wasmod is the Internet of Things hardware platform that enhances interoperability of connecting things with the fastest time to market. That means a project of Smart City with or Wasmod platform needs a shorter time to be deployed in the streets. Involve the different stakeholders, so it's sold through different channels. In our partners program, we have system integrators, we have phone companies, we have working directly with the cities. Almost everybody involved can work as our partner. We identify 3 elements common in all Internet of Things projects. First of all, we need to contact any sensor to any cloud platform by using any protocol, because the project in Istanbul will be completely different than the project in Barcelona, because all the projects are adapted exactly to the city where they are developing, okay? So you need any sensor for measuring whatever, the quality of water, the radiation, the noise, the pollution. You need a platform, ThemeWorks, Axeda, Microsoft, a Turkish platform, and you will connect by using any protocol you need, maybe 3G, maybe Wi-Fi, maybe some other radio systems. This is the central product of our range of products. This is Wasmod. This is a Wasmod plate. A Wasmod plate is horizontal, is modular, is scalable, and is open source. We can directly connect more than 80 sensors, used for 10 verticals, used nowadays in 50 different Internet of Things applications. This is the approach to the market. An approach to the market needs three parts involved. First is Libelium, is the manufacturer of the platform. Second is a system integrator. A system integrator is needed because they need to make the data analysis and the web service. The system integrator must show all the data to the citizen or to the municipality. And at the end of the value chain is, of course, the client or the end user. So we have constructed with our Wasmod some ready-to-play units. We used to call plug and sense. With the same philosophy as you know the plug and play in the personal computer. You just plug these units to the cloud, and it's starting to work. It's starting to send you the data of the sensors right in this moment, without any other need. If you have a lot of different nodes, a lot of different plug and sense sending information, you will need a gateway. We name Meshlium. You will need one every 35 or 40 nodes. It's easy to maintain, easy to deploy, and easy to scale. Because if you only have 35 or 40, you only need a gateway. And if you, in the other street, you have 34 or 40 nodes again, you will need another gateway. This is the idea. All the nodes are connected with the concentrator, and the concentrator is connected to the World Wide Web by using Ethernet, Wi-Fi, 3G, wherever. And this platform is where this platform from Axeda, ThinkWorks, or whatever, is where the users are reading the data. With this hardware and usual showing platforms, we can develop a lot of different vertical solutions for environment, for smart cities, for metering, for agriculture, for parking, for control of radiation, for control of ambient, or for control of security. And this is only a little part of what we used to call the Libelium Smart World. The Libelium Smart World is a world connected where all the platforms are exactly the same, but all the data they are sending to the cloud are useful for all of them, but are focused in exactly the need they want to solve. This is the schema of a small city. We have calculated that more or less 30 or 35% of the people driving in a city is looking for a parking for the car. So we have developed some projects, for example, in Santander in North Spain. You are running with your car, and you can see in the corner, if you in the street at your right, you have a parking free or not. So if you have not, you don't need really to go to this street. This is really a big economy for the fuel, a big economy for the contamination and for the noise in the city. This was implemented 3 years ago in Santander with a big success. A single platform is useful not only for the smart parking, but in the same plug and sense units, we have developed too the environmental control, the street light monitoring and optimizing the waste of energy, and the noise monitoring of the city. This is an experience we made in Sarajevo, in Serbia. The ambient control is not fixed in a post or in an axis. It's fixed in the roof of the bus. So the bus is every day and every minute monitoring all the city. Every 5 minutes, he's sending a measure of the ambiental parameters to the cloud, and you can follow the bus, not only where is the bus, but what are the ambient conditions of the city in this moment. So finally, the product philosophy is a holistic approach to the smart cities and the IoT refined by experience. Is the technology chosen for the biggest smart city projects in Europe? At this moment are Santander and Barcelona. And we are working in the Smart Cities Node 2.0 that we will present right this year, that will include not only the usual smart cities sensors, but some sensors for control of ambient that the cities are developing now. So just for ending my explanation, just think in a world connected, and that's what we must do for developing a better quality of life for our citizens. Let's build small cities together. Thank you so much.